I just want to archive this. New ball nose, clips on to the side. The alley doors, these great big massive thick ones. So you got to unclip the ball nose off the back to get to the Allen screws. You've just got to take the other side off as well. Yep, that's it. It's screwed, but the screws have probably come all loose. There. Jesus. And you can see it's not holding on the top at all. You can see the square still staying still while you're moving the top. So just got to get this side out, and that'll make it easier to get to the screw in the corner there. When you get the other side off, you can see it makes a big gap down the edge. So that's the outside one taken off. Now look at that, totally snapped off. Don't see that very often. It's all loose at the top. Whole thing's rattling. That is absolutely terrible. There we go. That's the snap bit. There. How often did you see that?
So you want to cut? You want to cut it out?
Eh?
You want to cut it out?
Try and do that as well. That done there.
Just maybe not every day.
That's actually a nut. That shouldn't be a nut. Oh, I'm doing this one-handed. So let me undo that. Like that. All loose. These fixing screws here for the plate as well. You get them tightened up. Just got to get this off.
Next time, just get the light, isn't it?
Yuck.
Packer.
Just cleaned it up a bit. Make it a bit nicer. That's the new one's going to go on there. Got the tops near enough. Got all the electrics back on. That's all done. There. Right. And now the door. Working on nice and smooth. Somebody's done a butcher job with that. Job done.